Hello everyone! So a bit of an ambitious project, so let's create and publish our own Golang library. So that's part 1, so it will be in a mini-serie format. So I could have done it in 1 or 2 hour video, but that would be overwhelming for you. So I broke it down step by step. So stay tuned for the next episode next week. I reckon it will be 4 or 5 episodes. So we will start from scratch, from the very basic, how you can publish your public library in Golang. Then we will complexify things a bit, and there will be a little bit of testing. There will be a library tool management publishing that we often use. So, and it's also the opportunity for me to show you how you organize a project in Go. So quite real life stuff, so stay tuned. And if you like this kind of mini-series, like the video and subscribe to do not miss the next one, and let me know in the comments what you think or ask me any questions. So happy video. Okay, so to start with, this is my GitHub account that I created for the YouTube channel. So we will just create a new repo. So let's call it Timber. So you will understand in the next video why we call it Timber. There's something to do with trees, a little description, a README. We can add Go git ignore. And license maybe later, but for now none. So creating a repo, so that's really easy. So there you go, your empty repo, and then we can clone it with your favorite IDE or terminal or whatever IDE you use. Okay, so to start with, we will create a Go mod file, and the first thing I'm gonna change is the module path, because it's gonna be public. This is github.com, then my username, and then the name of the project. And then I can run go mod tidy, but nothing will happen because there's no package there. It's empty. So I'm gonna fast forward. So I will just create the Timber package with a Timber file, and we will simply log a sentence. And then just at the root of the project, we can just write a simple main function and invoke that timber.hello. So then you can see that my message got properly logged. So very simple. And now, so far so good. So we want to publish that, so we will just commit and push. So all of those files except the VCS XML, it's because I'm using Goland, but I do need the module XML and the IML file. Okay, so we can just leave a comprehensive message. So for me it's just the initial seed, and then we commit and push. There you go. Okay, so that's the GitHub part, so nothing complicated. So here I'm in another project, so an external project from Timber. It's the project I use for the other videos usually. So you can see there I just created a package called draft, initialized a Go mode, and I just want to import the Timber package. So you can see there it found it, it's public, and the main function within draft got executed seamlessly, and our message got published. Alright, so very straightforward as said at the beginning of the video. So that's just the basics from scratch. You can see that there's no versioning of that library, or no tests, or no material at all. So stay tuned for next week. We will flesh it a bit and improve it. Happy coding, everyone!